What's up, guys? It's Raf, RAFCAVE, and welcome back to another unboxing video. Now this one here is going to be on fiber HDMI. So now I'm sure you've heard of fiber HDMI cables, and you're like, well, why do I need fiber HDMI cables? Well, this is meant for someone that needs longer distances, right? Because HDMI cables will start to degrade in quality past about 25 feet, unless you have a really high-end one. But typically with copper strands, it's more susceptible to interference, and it requires more power to draw the signal through your cable, and that can lead to noise and all kinds of other stuff, right? The benefit of fiber is basically it's light, and it's instantaneous, and it's full bandwidth, no degradation, and you can go way longer distances with this cable. So what I want to talk to you about is a cable that I was given to do a video on, which I think is pretty awesome, because I was actually thinking of doing a fiber cable for my projector, which is about 25, 26 feet away from my equipment, and that would be a reason to get a better quality wire. Now, what's great about fiber also is it doesn't pick up any EMI or EFI or any electromagnetic interference, which means is a pure signal, and it'll pass full 18 gigabits, passes Dolby Vision, passes HDR, passes all the signals and all the high-end audio you can want through this wire. So for my situation, I think it's awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap this cable out with my AudioQuest Cinnamon cable that I've had there for a while, and that way I'll have the true fiber HDMI signal going. So this cable here is from BlueAVS 2.0 HDMI, and it's fantastic, guys. This basically has got glass inside, so it's more durable. If you step on it or crimp it, it's going to be still good quality all the way through. So whereas copper cables use electricity to transmit signals, the fiber optic cables uses lasers, which is awesome. And they're also not susceptible to EMI, electromagnetic interference, or RFI, which is radio frequency interference. So that means that the signal is going to be a higher quality at a greater distance, which is awesome. Now for my situation, I'm running my cable behind the receiver into the wall, up through the ceiling, all the way across, and then out right above my projector, where I have it hooked up on the side here. So I'm definitely going to benefit from this cable. So let's hook up this cable, check it out, install it here, and see the quality of a fiber HDMI cable. And could be something, guys, for you to check out. I'm going to leave a link in the description below if you want to check it out. I'd appreciate it. And they come in different sizes, different lengths, and also different color as well. I got the black one here. Without further ado, guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Raf in the RAFCAVE, home theater inspiration videos, trailer reactions, unboxings, and live game content. If you like that stuff, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and welcome to the RAFCAVE Club. If you're already a club member, you've already hit that like button. I appreciate it. All right, guys, let's get this unboxed. Let's get it. BlueAVS 2.0 4K fiber HDMI. This is a 30-footer, black for me. Well, let's get this unboxed. You know what time it is, guys. Black pin. All right. Fiber has landed in the RAFCAVE. Pretty excited to set this up, guys. Been hearing all kinds of buzz about fiber HDMI, because you know I have fiber internet from CenturyLink, which is amazing. Now I can say I have a fiber HDMI cable. All right, open it up here. A nice little baggie. Ooh, this is nice. Wow, this is nice. It feels, wow, definitely feels like there's glass in here. That's really cool. Look at these ends, guys. That's awesome. All right, so take these foam pads off. Now another thing to keep in mind, guys, with fiber, since it's light, it travels in one direction, okay? So with that being said, you want to look at your connectors here. And what they're going to say is display and source, right? You see that, guys? There we go. Sorry. There we go. We're going to see a source. We're going to see a display. So the source is what the signal is coming from, and the display is your TV or projector or your monitor. That's where you want to put this wire. So just make sure you're careful with that. Man, this cable's great, guys. Fiber HDMI. It just feels different from your conventional copper HDMI wire, you know? This is sweet, guys. All right, so I'm gonna get this unwrapped, and I'm gonna get this installed on my Sony 4K native. And we're gonna test this out, guys. This is awesome. All right, guys, let's get it. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do here is whenever you wanna pull wire through the ceiling like this and don't wanna risk, you know, losing your wire, definitely use duct tape. So duct tape is a much stronger tape, and it's gonna hold really nicely. So I have, you know, AudioQuest thick copper with, you know, silver wrapped around the wire to my nice thin fiber HDMI with glass and light passing through. I got the spool right here. And when I'm making sure that this says display, because display is what you want to hook up to your projector or TV. And when I pull this wire through the ceiling, across, you know, through this little hole here, and then across, and then through those wires, and then come out of the bottom, it's going to say source right there. But this cable is just, it feels so much different, guys. Once you feel a fiber HDMI cable, how light it is, and how like, it feels like it's a thin tube. It's a thin little tube that all that data is passing through this wire at the speed of light. Is just an incredible feeling, an incredible upgrade in wire technology. And I'm super excited to install and check out. All right, guys, let me finish this wire pull here, and then we'll go from there. All right, see ya. All right, guys, so I have it installed. Thin fiber line. Going right to the projector there, HDMI 1. Across, 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 down, and right there. Yep. And we got a picture up. We got NVIDIA Shield rocking, rolling right here. All right, guys, I'm gonna put on a demo for you and just have you look at the screen, and that'll wrap it up. So away with the old school copper thick silver coated copper lines of AudioQuest to the thin light speed glass encased fiber HDMI. Fantastic, guys. All right, thanks for watching this video, guys. Like, subscribe, share. I'll have the link below if you wanted to purchase this cable. But right now it works fine. Works great, looks good. And appreciate it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Home theater rules. Raphael. Guys, it's looking great. I'm sorry, I was kind of at awe right now, and my mouth is hanging open. How good this picture looks. I've seen this clip before, but I don't know if it's. I'm seeing more color in HDR with this fiber HDMI cable. I mean, there's more color in this image. Wow. I'm gonna have to turn the color down on this HDR because it is definitely more. I'm at 50, just half right now in color. And it's looking very colorful. My goodness, guys. Oh yeah, HDMI fiber on a native 4K projector Sony. Match made in heaven right here, because this is amazing color.